Hey guys, welcome to Food for Thought Fridays, and today I want to talk about the cricket situation in Nevada. I I don't know what to say about this other than nope. Nope, 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 nope. Would you move? The question is, would you move? And it's a real question. Now, imagine you have your entire family, your entire life is in this place that you've built, and you can't leave your house because it's covered with these massive sized crickets and they are swarming. It's going to take months, even possibly a year or so, to clear it. There are millions of them, and this is something that happens maybe every 4 to 6 years there. I would move. There was some interviews being done where the cricket was actually on the guy's shoulder. Hospital entrances are completely engulfed. The anxiety level is just so huge, they can't leave their home. And roadways are actually slick from these crickets that are, just covering them. And when a car drives on top, first of all, they have this exoskeleton, it's really gross, that basically crunches, and now they have slick roadways that stink. I mean, the stench, they said, is like rotten flesh. I mean, I thought about this, and that's why I wanted to present it today. I would have to move because I can't even handle a bug crawling on me. If a carpenter ant is crawling on me, I freak out and I'm like, I feel itchy. But the idea that this is something you have to live with out there, even every 4 to 6 years, I couldn't do it. I could not do it. If it was worldwide, like let's say it was the bug apocalypse and wherever you went, you had that situation, then you just take shelter wherever you're at. You have the option to not be surrounded by crickets coming at you in every direction. Yeah, I would move. What would you guys do? Please let me know. I'm curious.